Hello students, welcome back. I'm Arijit sir. Today in our organic name reaction mechanism, we are going to study about the Sandmeyer reaction. This is the reaction by which the diazo group of a diazonium compound is replaced by the halogen atom in presence of respective Q plus halides. Chlorobenzene and bromobenzene are conveniently prepared by this benzene diazonium chloride. You can see this is chlorobenzene and this is bromobenzene, and iodobenzene is also prepared by obtaining the warming the benzene diazonium chloride with potassium iodide. And fluorobenzene, you can see this is fluorobenzene when actually aniline diazotized by using sodium nitrite and fluoroboric acid, it converted into this salt and then heated to form the fluorobenzene. This reaction is also sometimes called as Schumann reaction. Okay students, this is actually our Schumann reaction. So in Schumann reaction you should study in whenever you are discussing about the Sandmeyer reaction. Now students, actually what happens over here, chlorobenzene is obtained by warming this benzene diazonium chloride and cuprous chloride in hydrochloric acid medium, while bromobenzene is produced by using the diazonium chloride sulfate also you can use. Okay, no problem at all. Now actually what is the mechanism behind it, we are going to study about it. Next we are going to study about the mechanism behind the reaction. Okay students, the mechanism yet to be actually settled. However, it is possibly that it goes through the free radical mechanism. Okay, it is believed that. Now free radical mechanism, Q plus copper first reduces the diazonium ion in elimination of nitrogen to form aryl radical. That is, you can see this is our in free radical mechanism. This is supposed to be our diazonium salt, and it forms in this formation system. This is our nitrogen that should be removed. Okay, now cupric copper, that is here it reacts with these diazonium salts. Cupric copper to form is C6H5N2, and this is free radical, and cupric forms from the Q plus ion. Now this free radical, the next step, forms this benzene radical, and nitrogen is removed from it. Now this benzene radical next step whenever reacts with cupric ion, it forms benzene plus Q plus. When reacts with chlorides, it forms this one. Okay, you can see this is our benzene phenyl plus, and it reacts with chloride to form this ion. And another step, cupric ion, it forms probably this mechanism to form either this one or this one. If the reaction mechanism is not settled, I have already told you, to form this chloride ion, and it moves the Q plus ion. Okay students, so this is the basic actually the probable mechanism that is actually not settled over yet. The Sandmeyer is going through the free radical mechanism. Okay students, so hope you understand this point, and if you want to apply this, you can apply it, no problem at all. So students, so hope you like this video. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.